we are headed to Woodland Hills to the Westfield Promenade Mall for the opening of SUGR RUSH. It is a walk-through immersive experience themed to candy. So giant Instagrammable props, all sorts of photo ops, and you also get a bag of candy to go along with. That's the best part. It's put on by the same folks that did Wonderland, the holiday drive-through, and they also had a Halloween experience. So when this was first advertised, it was a drive-through, but with restrictions lifted now, you can actually get out and walk through it. So the ticketing changed a little bit, but today is opening day, so we're headed there now. We should be there by about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll go check it out, see what it's like. Very excited about this. I'm just excited for the candy. This is so awesome so far. So many cool things to take photos with, and it's pet friendly. You can bring your dog and do Instagram photos for your pet too. There's actually a pet waste station right across the way. So I'm gonna do this, feeling cute, might delete later. Please, thank you. Thank you. We are leaving SUGR RUSH. It took us about a half an hour to go through tons and tons of photo ops. A lot of awesome props. They have performers. It's great for photos, great for kids, great for adults. It was a lot of fun. It took, like I said, about a half an hour to go through. At the very end, there was a full playground for the kids. I will say the kids were running wild with zero supervision. Please watch your children. But there's swing sets you can bring a lunch and eat at the end. They give you your bag of candy you can munch on. There's also some photo ops in that picnic area. So it's a really good time. Highly recommend it. I have to check on prices. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen. When we bought the ticket, it was actually a drive-through ticket, so the price has changed. But highly recommend SUGR RUSH. It is at the Westfield Promenade Mall in Woodland Hills, and I'll put the dates down below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. And if you're not following us on social media, follow at theFUNnelCakeBlog on Instagram, Facebook, and of course here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go eat my candy now.